Hey guys, welcome back to Exclusive Auto House. Got a cool car for you guys today. This is our Ford Falcon FGX 2015 model in an LPG. This one has 127,000 on the clock. It's fairly tidy overall. It's got a couple of minor dings, minor scratches, which I will point out to you. But otherwise, like I said, it is a tidy vehicle. No dents or dings on this side. The wheels do have a little bit of curb rash. This would probably be the worst wheel. Otherwise, you do have roadworthy tread on all the tires. You've got your LPG fill point on this side. Nice big tray on the back. As you can see, it's fairly straight, fairly tidy. You do have a nice Trojan lock box up there. You've got your Heyman and Reese tow bar at the back, ready to go. These do lock, and we do have the keys for them as well. The box can be removed if you don't like it for whatever reason. As far as the body goes, once again, fairly tidy. No hail on the roof or anything like that. So we have a couple of light marks, as you can see here, but they have been professionally touched up. As you can see, fairly tidy on these panels. A couple of light dents in the bonnet, but otherwise, for a work vehicle, it is actually quite tidy. There's no major damage on the car at all. We've actually done a PPSR report to make sure the title's all clear, never been written off, and make sure it also has genuine Ks. As you can see, there's no major scratches on the body. Just give you a quick look on the inside now. Got the fabric interior. As you can see, all the trims are in fairly good condition. No holes or tears in the front seats. Do have a set of rubberized floor mats. Got two keys, as well as the key for the lockbox up back. As you can see, 127,000 on the clock. This, of course, is a factory LPG system. Runs really great. You get great economy out of these. Your factory touchscreen, climate control. Now this one does have a full service history. The most recent minor service has been completed, so it's very much ready to go. As you can see, it has all the stamps in the book for the required servicing. Got your books here in the glove box as well. I'll just give you a quick peek underneath the bonnet. As you can see, there's a very light dent in the front there. As you can see, everything where it should be. Rotor runs nice and smooth. Definitely a great vehicle to drive. There's a quick look at our 2015 FGX Falcon. If you have any questions at all, definitely give us a call. All our cars come with warranty, and we can also help you out with finance and delivery if you weren't local. Thanks for watching.